Hey there, today's video is going to be something that I think is going to help you a lot, especially if you are a beginner artist and maybe you are really trying very hard to learn how to paint something all by yourself and you're looking for different tutorials online or maybe looking at books or whatever it may be, probably here on YouTube. So stick around, we're going to talk about the thing that I wish I had known in the beginning that would have helped me so much if I had known it. Okay, I've showed this before. This is my sketchbook that is only for flowers. I only paint flowers in here. And I'll just show you. I've got lots of different kinds of compositions and paintings of flowers, but this is just for flowers. And this is my biggest word of advice for you. If you want to get really good at painting flowers, just paint flowers for a really long time. Or at least have a specific place where you're painting that one subject. Spend time with it. Look at real flowers. Look at pictures of flowers. Take maybe even a picture book. You could get one at the library if you don't have one, and put some tracing paper on top of the flowers and trace the outlines of them. Study your subject. Think about it. Look at flowers in your yard or go to maybe a botanical garden in your area or a park or whatever you need to do to find some real flowers. Look at them, think about what colors they are, and start thinking about things in terms of paint. Like if you're looking at I'm looking at a flower out my window right now. If I were to paint that flower, what colors would I use? If I were to make a composition of that, how would it look? Where would I place certain things? And you almost have to get obsessed with your subject to the point that that's what you want to paint, that's what you enjoy painting, that's what you're going to paint when you sit down to do it. Then once you feel like you have really gotten that subject down, if you want to add to it and find some new things, then just focus on that. So let's say I've got a good handle on flowers and now I want to try birds. So I would do the same thing. Just focus on that one subject for a long period of time. Same thing goes with your mediums. So if you're switching from, and this happens a lot of times, especially it happened with me in the very beginning, I didn't know what medium I liked. So I tried oils, I tried acrylics, I tried watercolor, I've tried soft pastels, I've tried oil pastels, I've tried charcoal, I've tried drawing, I've tried everything. But after you have kind of tried everything, there has to be something that you enjoyed more than anything else. So pick one of those things and stick with it while you're painting whatever your subject matter is. So for this example, this is acrylic and this is floral. It's also really loose, and you're going to develop your own style and your process of painting, but beginning with sticking with one medium and sticking with one subject for at least a good amount of time until you get a handle on it before you start adding in birds and adding in animals or adding in landscapes or whatever it may be. And I think that will help you tremendously. And I've seen this happen with my students also. It seems like most of the time when they're sharing their work, they're working through my library of tutorials in sort of a subject matter order rather than jumping all over the place. And I think that helps a lot. So if you're interested in learning how to paint more flowers, or learning to paint animals, or learning to paint landscapes, I have individual tutorials over on my website. You don't have to join my membership. It's not even open at the moment that I'm recording this video, but I have individual lessons that you can learn. Just go in and find all of the florals that are there. You can go in and find all of the landscapes that are available. So you can just purchase it one time and paint that painting. And I'll put a link down below so that you can see what is available. The lessons that are individual lessons on my website are pulled out of my creative community membership. So it's not all of the tutorials in the membership, but I have pulled a few out that you can purchase individually and work on at your own pace. And I think that just focusing on one subject matter at a time for beginner artists is key to helping you really, really get good at it. So I hope this tip was helpful, and I will see you guys back here next time. Bye.